What if I told you that true attraction isn't something you chase, it's something you become? Most men try too hard. They think attraction comes from talking more, showing more, proving more. But the men who quietly command respect, the ones women can't stop thinking about, have one thing in common. Their power comes from silence, from control, from the mind. The world sees them as calm, but beneath that calm is fire, a deep sense of inner strength that no one can take away. And today, you'll see the 4 psychological signs that you've built that kind of power, the kind of attraction that never fades. We live in a time when attraction is treated like a trick, a formula, a game. But real attraction doesn't come from trying to impress others. It comes from becoming someone who no longer needs to. That's what the Stoics understood centuries ago. Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, Epictetus, they didn't talk about pickup, they talked about power. Power over self, not over others. When you master yourself, you stop chasing. You draw people in without effort. Your energy becomes rare. Your presence speaks before your words do. So let's break down the 4 signs you're not just attractive. You're becoming the kind of man who leaves a lasting mark. Number 1, emotional self-control. Let's be honest. The world is full of loud, reactive men. They speak without purpose, post for attention, and fall apart when pressure hits. They let emotions run the show. That is why calm men stand out. A man who controls his emotions stands apart in silence. He does not react to every noise. He does not need to prove anything. In a world addicted to chaos, calm becomes power. Epictetus said, "No man is free who is not master of himself." Freedom begins when you stop being a slave to your emotions. When anger hits, you stay steady. When ego whispers, you stay focused. When fear rises, you stay grounded. That ability to stay composed when others lose control is what makes you untouchable. People sense it. They feel the difference between a man who reacts and a man who rules himself. Think about real moments. A woman argues, waiting for your reaction. You stay calm. She pulls back into silence, testing your patience. You remain still. She throws emotion, hoping to make you chase her energy. You do not. That silence shakes her, but it also attracts her. Because deep down, every woman wants to feel safe with a man. And emotional control is safety. It shows her that your peace cannot be taken. It shows her that you are stable when she is not. That is where true masculine presence begins. Emotional self-control does not mean you suppress feelings. It means you lead them. You do not hide your emotions, you guide them. You understand when to speak and when to stay quiet. You know when to walk away and when to stand firm. You do not let impulse define your action. You act with clarity. When you can walk away from disrespect, when you hold your position under tension, when you delay comfort for purpose, you send one message to the world. I am in command of myself. That type of energy is rare today. Most men chase approval or run from discomfort. Few have the discipline to stay calm under heat. But the man who does earns natural respect. He does not need to talk about control, he shows it. His silence has presence. His stillness carries authority. Calm men do not dominate through noise. They dominate through composure. And in a loud world, that calm is power. Number 2, freedom from validation. Here's a truth most men avoid. If your confidence depends on what others think, it isn't real confidence. It's weakness disguised as strength. Most men live trapped by opinions. They chase approval from women, friends, co-workers, or strangers online. Every post, every word, every action is shaped by a silent question. Will they like me for this? The Stoic man lives differently. He does not move for applause. He moves with purpose. His actions come from inner values, not outer validation. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Be indifferent to what makes no difference." Those words cut deep. Opinions shift like wind. One day people praise you, the next they tear you down. If your self-worth rises and falls with their opinion, you'll never find peace. You'll stay on an emotional leash, begging for approval that never lasts. Freedom begins when you stop chasing it. When you decide that your standards matter more than their reactions. Women sense this immediately. They can feel when a man is centered or needy. When a man seeks her validation, she loses attraction. His energy feels unstable. His worth depends on her response. But when he doesn't flinch at silence, rejection, or disapproval, she feels something rare. She feels presence. A man who doesn't need validation radiates quiet power. He doesn't act cold, he acts grounded. He doesn't perform to be liked, he acts from inner conviction. That calm confidence draws people in without effort. You can test this in daily life. The next time you feel the urge to post for likes, to speak just to get noticed, pause. Ask yourself, would I still do this if no one saw it? That question exposes your motives. If your answer becomes yes, you've taken a step toward real freedom. You no longer depend on approval to feel alive. You act because it aligns with your values. That is what makes you unshakable. Most people call this attitude mystery. In truth, it's independence. A man who does not crave validation controls his emotions, his time, and his direction. He's harder to manipulate and easier to respect. That kind of man doesn't chase attention. He earns it by not needing it. And that quiet freedom is power. Number 3, a deep sense of purpose. A man without direction drifts, and nothing kills attraction faster than drift. You can be kind, smart, or fit, but if you lack purpose, your presence feels hollow. People feel it. Women feel it most. A man with no direction gives off no pull. His energy feels scattered. Purpose is what gives your presence weight. It makes your silence mean something. It shapes your choices and strengthens your discipline. Seneca said, "If a man knows not to which port he sails, no wind is favorable." Without purpose, every distraction becomes a destination. You waste time chasing things that don't build you. You lose focus when life gets hard. But when you have a mission, you don't get thrown off by emotion or chaos. Purpose keeps you centered. It acts as your anchor when the world tries to pull you in every direction. This is why purpose changes how women see you. When you have direction, you stop chasing attention. You move with intent. You no longer seek validation or comfort. Ironically, that's when attraction begins. Women are drawn to energy that moves somewhere. They follow focus and ambition, not words or promises. When she looks at you and senses that your life has structure and aim, she feels safe. Not because you tell her, but because your actions prove it. A man with purpose becomes magnetic without effort. Most men live for pleasure, not meaning. They wake up with no mission. They scroll, they drift, they waste their strength chasing comfort. But a Stoic man lives differently. He understands that time is his most valuable resource. Every hour spent drifting steals from his destiny. He works on something that outlives him. He builds, creates, and leads, not to impress, but to fulfill his nature. That difference separates boys from men. Every morning, ask yourself, what am I building that outlives me? If you can answer that with clarity, you no longer need motivation. Your purpose becomes your fuel. You stop needing attention because you become attention. Your eyes show direction. Your energy shows intent. Your silence carries weight. A man who walks in purpose doesn't chase respect. He earns it. Purpose is masculine. Purpose is stability. Purpose is leadership. Number 4, resilience under pressure. This is the final sign, and it is the hardest to fake. Resilience. Every man looks strong when life runs smooth. Every man can smile when the path is clear. But when things fall apart, when rejection hits, when betrayal cuts deep, that is when your true strength shows. The man you are in those moments defines everything. Epictetus said, "Circumstances don't make the man, they reveal him." Pain strips away the mask. It shows what you're really made of. When life hits you hard, you either break or build. A resilient man doesn't collapse. He adapts. He studies what happened instead of complaining about it. He learns from pain instead of avoiding it. He uses loss as training. Every setback becomes a lesson. Every scar a reminder that he survived. He understands that pain builds wisdom and discipline builds peace. Resilience doesn't mean you never fall. It means you always rise. You face chaos with a clear mind. You feel the pain, but don't drown in it. You take time to heal, but you never stop moving forward. That mindset makes you unshakable. While weak men run from pressure, the Stoic man walks through it. He stays grounded, calm, and silent, knowing every trial shapes him into something stronger. Women sense this immediately. They can feel the difference between a man who crumbles and a man who holds firm. When you stay calm during conflict, when you don't react emotionally, when you turn pain into strength, she feels safe around you. That safety is rare. It shows emotional maturity, and maturity is what separates a man from a boy. A man who can handle storms without losing composure becomes someone people trust. So when life hits, do not break. Pause. Reflect. Rebuild quietly. Let time and discipline rebuild your strength. Every scar you earn in silence adds weight to your presence. Every lesson you learn adds depth to your voice. Resilience is not loud. It's steady. It's patient. It's the quiet confidence that says, no matter what happens, I will stand. That is real strength. And that is what makes a man unforgettable. So here's the truth about attraction. It's never about impressing. It's about evolving. You can't fake self-control. You can't fake inner peace. You can't fake resilience. Women may be drawn to your looks, but they stay for your discipline. They remember your calm. They feel your purpose. The more you master yourself, the less you need approval. And the less you need approval, the more power you hold. That's the paradox. The less you chase, the more you attract. If you're tired of surface-level attraction and ready to build inner gravity, start now. Control your emotions. Stop chasing validation. Find your purpose. Train your resilience. That's how you become the kind of man who doesn't just get attention. He earns respect. Subscribe to Stoic 95 for more deep lessons on masculine energy, emotional detachment, and Stoic self-mastery. And remember, attraction fades, but presence lasts forever. Stay disciplined. Stay grounded. Stay Stoic.